So, in previous class, we have studied the class 12 chemistry. Chapter name is P block, in which we study about the periodic tables group 50, 60, 70 and 80. Okay. And first of all, in previous class we have learned about the group 15. That means the members are and we also are studying. Okay. So first of all, group 15, 16, 17, 18 belongs to the members of this is hydrogen. This is our nitrogen family. Like that, all the matters are here. Members of the group 15 are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and benzene. We use also mnemonics for learning regarding that. We use also some mnemonics according to learning regarding that. We use mnemonics Na, P, ऐसे सबके B. Okay. Na means nitrogen. P means phosphorus. ऐसे means acetylene. And सबके that means our antimony. And here benzene. Like that. We use some mnemonics for learning regarding this group. That means group 15 nitrogen family is learned by this name Na, P ऐसे सबके B. That means nitrogen, phosphorus, acetylene, antimony and benzene. Overall, all the matters which we study regarding that group, we read about all the properties: ionic radius, atomic radius. We also learn about ionization enthalpy, ionization electron affinity, electron negativity, electron gain enthalpy. Like that, all the matters are read by us in this chapter. We also read about some compounds regarding that. Members of nitrogen, member of phosphorus, like that, how much compounds are made from this. यानी कि जितने भी कंपाउंड्स बनेंगे इन सब के प्रिपरेशन मेथड को हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे. इन सब के प्रिपरेशन मेथड के साथ साथ इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज को डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज यानी इनकी केमिकली नाइट्रोजन किस टर्म्स के रिगार्डिंग क्या करता है, कंबाइन करता है. दैट्स माय all type of matter were discussed here. We also know the source from where this is obtained, where it is found. Like that, all the matters were discussed here. Just wait. You read the mnemonics now. Na, P ऐसे सबके बीच. Na means, tell me fast. Na means nitrogen. P means what? Phosphorus, acetylene, antimony, and this is what? This is arsenic, guys. Arsenic. And if anyone asks you about what is the atomic number of that, you have to write this is 7. This is 7. ये erase कर रहा हूं मैं. For learning the atomic number, this is also a key. There is a magical number here. And what is the magical number? Magical number is 8. 18 and 32 is here. What is the meaning of 8, 18 and 32? That means you have to add 8. That means what is the atomic number of phosphorus? 8 and 7 is 15. You have to add 18. That means what is the atomic number of Sorry, 33. You have to add again 18. What is the atomic number of antimony? 51. You have to add 32. That means what is the atomic number of bismuth? 83. Is it easy or not? Is it easy? This is the key, guys. First of all, we have so few times for your examinations. I know in this year, in November, your examination is to go through that. Yeah. And if there is so many syllabus is incompleted, so you have to do, you know what? You have to make a percentage weightage mark. That means you choose a subject and you choose a chapter, and overall you have to add what? You have to add some things weightage. That means कि किस सब्जेक्ट के किस चैप्टर से कितने नंबर्स के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. एंड जो चैप्टर अभी हम लोग ने पढ़ रखे हैं, ये जो चैप्टर पढ़ रहा है हम लोगों ने 3 ब्लॉक्स, इससे ज्यादातर क्वेश्चन जो होते हैं वो 1 मार्क्स के पूछे जाते हैं. और ये जो जितने भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं ना, वो इन्हीं सब जगहों से पूछे जाते हैं एटॉमिक नंबर्स के रिगार्डिंग. डाउन द ग्रुप्स कैरेक्टर्स के रिगार्डिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी के रिगार्डिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पीज के रिगार्डिंग. तो दैट मीन यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट दैट सॉल्व. This is some useful mnemonics. This is some useful mnemonics to learn the name of elements of group 50, and you also get the what's you also get the atomic number of that all elements. Okay, I can erase it. You can take a screenshot of that. Completed. We all are studying what? Group 15. That means this is nitrogen family. Here, all the elements belong from many property regarding the term of atomic rating, ionic rating, electronegativity, ionization, enthalpy, and electron gain enthalpy. First of all, we know that when we see any new substance, then we ask many types of questions. Like that, when you study about the nitrogen family, you have to learn what is the properties regarding every element. Is it metal? Is it non-metal? Is it meteorite? Like that, guys, here you also learn about the what is the atomic rating. Is it atomic rating increases down the group? Is it atomic rating decreases top to bottom to tops? And you have to study about the electronegativity of every element. You have to learn about the ionization enthalpies of every element, and you have to also learn about electron gain enthalpies of every element. And we also learn the source and preparation regarding every element. We also see here about the electronic configuration of every member of family. That means in nitrogen family there are the members. We have to learn about all the properties regarding affinities, electron gain enthalpies, electronegativities. We know from the where source it's come, how it's prepared, how its chemical properties, and we also learn about the electronic configuration of that's all element. Just take a screenshot. After that I will erase it. Okay. Complicated? Is it complicated? Okay. Okay, see, now what to see next? We see the preparations and along with the properties. We see the top to bottom ingredients. We write the here members again. We write the here members again. Tell me the first member of this family. What is the element? Nitrogen. Very good. Another is phosphorus and arsenic and Sb, antimony and bismuth. These all are non-metals. These all are non-metals. We know in the previous class. Okay. These all are the metalloids, and this is what? Metal. That means if you learn regarding the properties of p blocks, that means the last electron of every element is placed in p subshell. After the completing of their on next before orbitals. That means कि यदि पी ब्लॉक्स में हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं किसी भी फैमिलीज को, तो उनके लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन यानी कि वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होंगे वो किस सबसेल्स में कंप्लीट हो रहे होंगे? पी सबसेल्स में कंप्लीट हो रहे होंगे। बाकी के उनके पीछे वाले जो सबसेल्स होंगे, चाहे वो सबसेल्स एस के सबसेल्स हो, वो डी के सबसेल्स हो, एफ के सबसेल्स हो, तो वो सबसेल्स के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंप्लीटली क्या हो चुके होंगे? पहले से ही फिल हो चुके होंगे। एंड ओवरऑल लास्ट ऑर्बिट कहां कर रहा होगा? हमारा पी सबसेल्स में। And this is directly tends to mean that the p orbitals always in the excited state. P orbitals is always in the excited state and hence ready to make a pair. Ready to make a pair. Pair कैसा बनता है? तो कुछ एक सिंगल, कुछ क्या ये सिंगल सब्सटेंस है। यदि इनको पेयर बनाना है तो खुद को क्या करता है? ऐसे आगे कर देता है कि I am ready to make a pair. I am ready to be a mingle, and another substance again come and attach with us like the electron pair repulsion. जब इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी बढ़ने लगती है तो नेगेटिविटी की वजह से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या करते हैं? एक दूसरे को रिपेल करने लगते हैं। जब ये रिपल्सन एक्सट्रैक्ट करने जाता है, जब ये रिपल्सन कंटिन्यू क्या होते जाता है? इंक्रीज होने लगता है, तो ओवरऑल जो फॉर्मेशंस होता है हमारा वो क्या होता है कि पेयर बॉन्डेड बन जाते हैं। यदि किसी भी एलिमेंट का ग्राउंड स्टेट कुछ इस प्रकार से होता है, आप लोगों ने पहले पढ़ा होगा। यदि पी शेल है तो इनका ग्राउंड स्टेट हो सकता है कुछ ऐसा हो। क्या ड्रम स्टेट कुछ कैसा ऐसा है कि नहीं। जब ये लोग रेडी टू मिंगल होते हैं, यानी कि जब ये अपने एक्साइटेड फॉर्म में आ जाते हैं, तो ये अपने सारे के सारे पेयर्स को कुछ इस तरह से स्कैटर कर देते हैं, एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे। और इस स्टेट को क्या कहते हैं? एक्साइटेड स्टेट। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एक्साइटेड स्टेट। When any other elements want to combine here, when any other elements combine to here, then what they form? They comes and make a pair like that. They comes and make a pair like that. If you forming the nitrogen, what is the atomic number of nitrogen? 7. Electronic configuration of it, configuration 2,5, and in the phosphates of poly 1:2, 2:2, and 2p3. 2p3. If this is the nitrogen's p orbitals, this can be drawn as that. In p orbitals there is 3 electrons placed, 1, 2 and 3, is it? And when it takes to form ammonia, then one hydrogen again combined in form of 3. That means hydrogen 3 electrons comes here in the excited form and fill up the electrons like that, make a pair, and we can form a structure of ammonia like that. This is hydrogen and this is light. So overall this is the structure regarding this in the form of orbitals. So these all are the formations regarding p blocks to contain, and it contains the configuration of p in subsets and make a pair of electrons to be stacked. The non-metallic character of this family is decreases down the group, and their metallic character is increases down the group. What is the meaning of that? When first of all see the charts here, okay? When you comes down the group, that means top to means what? Top to bottom. First of all elements are what? Non-metals, again B are metalloids, and last of all it's make a metal. So the non-metallic character is decreases here. Non-metals, फिर metalloids, उसके बाद metal बना, यानी कि non-metal के characters क्या हो रहे हैं? नीचे होते जा रहे हैं, कम हो रहे हैं. And metallic character क्या होते चला जा रहा है? Metallic character क्या होते चला जा रहा है? Increase हो रहा है. That is, we have also write that the ionization energy is also increases or decreases? Increases down the group. And size of size of elements and size of atom is also gets